Imagine standing before an impassable sea, the dust of a vengeful army rising behind you, a moment where faith meets the impossible. For generations, the Israelites endured the crushing weight of Egyptian bondage, their cries for freedom echoing across the desert sands. In the heart of the empire, one man stood against the divine power of Pharaoh, demanding liberty for his people. Moses, a humble shepherd turned leader, delivered a message that would shake the foundations of Egypt. "Let my people go." When Pharaoh's heart remained hardened, wonders and plagues descended upon the land, forcing the hand of the mighty king. Finally, in the dead of night, the command came. It was time. The exodus from Egypt had begun. Thousands marched toward the unknown, fueled by a promise of a land they had never seen, leaving their chains behind. Through the scorching heat and shifting sands they journeyed, led by a pillar of cloud by day and fire by night. But Pharaoh's regret was swift. Behind them the horizon darkened with the dust of 1,000 chariots. The mightiest army on earth was closing in, seeking to reclaim what they had lost. Panic gripped the people, trapped between the cold depths of the Red Sea and the sharpening blades of their captors. But Moses stood firm. "The Lord will fight for you," he cried. "You need only to be still." Then, a powerful east wind began to tear through the night, a force beyond nature carving a path. Before their very eyes, the impossible happened. The waters divided, standing tall as mountains on either side, a miracle of epic proportions, a corridor of life through the heart of the abyss. Stepping onto the ground where no man had ever walked, they began their crossing. Under the shadow of the water, a nation was born anew, moving from slavery toward the promise of freedom. Seeing their prey escape, the Egyptians plunged into the depths, their pride blinding them to the danger. But the earth turned against them. Wheels bogged down, horses panicked, and the path became a trap. As the last of the Israelites reached the other side, the moment of judgment arrived. Moses lowered his staff, and the sea returned to its place, swallowing the pride of an empire. The chains were broken forever. They stood on the shore of a new world, free at last. A story of faith, a story of freedom, the Red Sea crossing.